You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish recipe from Italy, a chicken recipe. It looks absolutely gorgeous and it's delicious. So let's break down how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more from Italian cuisine, stay tuned. We've got them all here. You can learn something more here. Pollo, that's how you say chicken in Italian. Pollo, okay, it's not pollo. Pollo is Spanish. Pollo. Alla, this is just to say, that's the preparation. Diavola, that's how you say pollo alla diavola. Italian pronunciation, pollo. Pollo alla Diavola. In English, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can simply say Pollo alla Diavola. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.